OnePlus has officially revealed the OnePlus Watch 3, the latest flagship smartwatch now available in US and Canada. The new watch builds upon its predecessor, the OnePlus Watch 2, with a refined new design, upgraded internals, and enhanced fitness and health capabilities. It sports a stainless steel body with a titanium PVD bezel available in emerald titanium and obsidian titanium. It features a 1.5-inch LTPO flexible display protected by 2D sapphire glass. It includes a rotating crown for navigation, making a first for OnePlus watches. The smartphone is designed for durability and meets MIL STD 810H military substandards. It also comes with IP68 and 5 ATM water resistance. It's powered by the new OnePlus dual engine architecture. It combines Snapdragon W5 chipset for performance-heavy tasks and BES 2800 MCU efficiency chipset. This allows the watch to seamlessly switch between Wear OS 5 and RTOS, optimizing performance and efficiency. According to OnePlus, the 631 mAh battery provides users up to 16 days of power in power-saving modes, 5 days in smart mode, and 3 days under heavy use. A quick 10-minute charge provides a full day of use. It runs Wear OS 5, offering improved support and integration with Google Apps that includes Gmail, Google Wallet. A standout feature is the 60s health check-in, which tracks heart, SpO2, wrist temperature, vascular health, sleep, and mental well-being. Fitness enthusiasts can access over 100 sports mode, enhanced GPS, and detailed workout insights. It's priced at $329. It's available for pre-order starting February 18th. Official sale kicks out beginning February 25th. From February 18th to March 31st, customers can use the code TIME1010 for an additional $30 discount. This will bring the final price down to $299.99 US.